In the northern regions of Norway, coniferous forests stretch across the land, interspersed with birch woods, wetlands, and large lakes. This combination creates a distinctive environment for many water birds, among which the common loon and the whooper swan stand out. The common loon measures between 70 and 90 centimeters in body length, with a wingspan of 1.2 to 1.5 meters and a weight of 3 to 5 kilograms. Its black and white plumage and striking red eyes make it easy to recognize. The body is adapted for life in the water, with legs set far back, making walking on land awkward but giving great efficiency in swimming and diving. Loons can dive as deep as 60 meters, using their strong legs to catch fish, crustaceans, and mollusks. Unlike most other bird species, loons have solid bones, which makes their bodies less buoyant and allows them to dive with great skill. When they submerge, their feathers compress tightly, pushing air out of the feather layers and the air sacs inside the body. This reduction of trapped air helps them sink quietly beneath the surface and avoid danger. In summer, they choose quiet lakes with dense shoreline vegetation as nesting sites. The nest is built from dry grass and leaves, placed right at the water's edge or floating among aquatic plants. Each season, the female usually lays only 1 or 2 eggs, pale in color with thick shells that resist moisture. Both parents share the incubation, taking turns for about 28 to 30 days, keeping the eggs at a stable temperature. The chicks hatch covered with waterproof down and can swim from the first day. But they are still fragile, so they often ride on the backs of their parents, safe from predators such as large fish or snakes, while also conserving warmth and energy. The whooper swan presents a completely different image. It is the largest wild swan in the world, measuring from 1.4 to 1.5 meters in length, with a wingspan that can reach 2.4 meters. Its entire body is covered in pure white plumage, while the yellow bill with a black tip is a distinctive feature. Unlike many other water birds, whooper swans usually form lifelong pairs, maintaining a strong bond for many years. Each spring, they return to remote lakes to build their nests, often on floating mounds or grassy shores. The nest is large, made from grass and reeds. The female typically lays between 3 and 7 eggs in a clutch, each with a pale ivory shell and weighing about 300 grams. Incubation lasts around 35 days, with the female doing most of the brooding, while the male takes turns and guards the territory against intruders. When the cygnets hatch, they are covered with soft gray down and can already recognize their parents. After only a few hours of rest, they are able to enter the water, swim, and feed on small aquatic insects or young plants. During the first weeks, they depend heavily on their parents, usually following in line behind them until they grow full plumage and are capable of flying, which happens after 4 to 5 months. By autumn, when the lakes begin to freeze, most of the flocks migrate south to temperate regions of Western Europe, although some groups remain year-round if the water does not freeze completely. Their immense wingspan and pronounced migratory behavior have made the whooper swan a true symbol of the northern European lakes.